What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh man, big day. I wasn't expecting to buy wheels this soon for the truck, but as you guys can tell by the title, we went up to Reading, Pennsylvania. It's a little over 3 hours from where I'm currently at right now, or where I currently live, I should say. But I actually saw a post on Facebook that Jordan from Dirty Diesels had up in Reading, Pennsylvania. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And his prices were actually like, not that the customer service wasn't bad, there was just really no customer service to be had. I mean, as long as you have a general idea of the wheel and tire setup and everything else you want, lug nuts, TPMS sensors, stuff like that planned out, there's not really much to talk about with wheel companies or just companies in general. So what I did was I got on Custom Offset's website and priced a set of these TIS's 544 black milled faces in 22 by 12s with the Terra Hunter tires on them. And honestly, I'm not promoting this business at all or anything like that. They get a lot of different wheels in. The owner has a beautiful fit gem, which I'll drop a picture of the front of it, and a short clip. I was kind of recording, they were leaving, so the clip was really bad, but I still want to show you guys the owner of it. But they do a lot of wheels up there. They way more than TIS. I saw on the ground they had fuels up there, TIS's. They had a stand for American Forces. The owner has KG1 forges on his truck. They had a lot of different wheels, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know, I can't speak for all their wheels prices, but the TIS's were over $500 cheaper than what Custom Offset would pay with it shipped to my house and the free tire mounting and balance. It was literally over $500 cheaper. So I'm not promoting this company. I'm not telling you guys that people haven't had bad experiences with them. I'm just giving my first-hand experience with them. Dirty Diesels in Reading, Pennsylvania. Give them a check out. Their social media, their Instagram's got like 20,000 followers, I think 15,000 followers, and their YouTube's pretty big too. Because at first I didn't want to send money because you hear a lot of scams and stuff. But I'm glad I did. I put a deposit on the wheels. By the time I got there, I told them I'd be there in 3 hours. By the time I got there, tires were mounted, balanced, TPMS sensors were in it, and they handed me a set of lug nuts, and I was ready to go. So, guys, this is just me a driving video, talking a little bit. But once I get home, I'm going to throw the wheels on. Maybe tonight, I hope, depending by the time I get there. But if not, definitely tomorrow. I'm waiting on my level kit to come in. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to buy wheels this soon. I hate with the truck not being leveled, it's going to like have that front end brake. But I guess we'll see if 22 by 12s will clear with no lift or nothing like that. So let's get them on. Thank you guys for all your support. Support those who support you. Let's get into putting these on. Before I show you guys the clip of the truck all done, it is the next day. Ran out of time. Truck is still very, very dirty, but we wanted to get the clip out there, show you guys the new wheel setup. Level kit's on the way, but let's go ahead and get into it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not saying that this edit's gonna be good at all, but just trying to give you guys the best possible image that I can give you of the truck. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment below.